Cooking with Chef Buck. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today we're going to be making meatloaf. All right, homemade meatloaf here. Okay, so basically the ingredients are basically I'm using two pounds of 8515. Okay, one diced onion, 2 eggs, a cup of breadcrumbs, and I'm going to be using an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I will be putting it into a loaf pan here. Okay, so without further ado, let's get the mixer. Be right back. All right, everybody. Okay, so we're gonna start getting the mix in here. All right, don't be scared to get your hands a little dirty. All right, so but you're gonna have to mix this very well, very well. Okay, and basically you like I said, 1 onion diced. Okay, tomato sauce. Everything goes into the pot. Everything. Okay, we got 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. Okay, we got the 1 cup of breadcrumbs. All right, we got the garlic powder. Very simple recipe. Salt and black pepper. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Using the salt that you like. And 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. All right. Got cleaned up a little bit. Get rid of the bowl. And all of this is just getting in here and mixing away. All right. When you're mixing this, mix it very well. All right, you want to incorporate everything. But I'm going to add one little bit, maybe about I'm going to add a tablespoon of Baby Ray into the mixture itself. All right. It's going to be sweet and savory meatloaf. All right, so what I'm going to do now, get me some Baby Ray in here. It's about a tablespoon. Well, that was a little bit more than a tablespoon, but that's okay. Get it all mixed in here. There's definitely going to be some good groceries. Oh, yeah. All right, when I get this all finished, mixed up, I'll be right back. All right, now what I'm going to do now, I have the loaf, the pan loaf, and I'm just going to pack this meat into here. All right. Yep, there's going to be some good groceries. Make sure you want to get it packed real good. All right. Yep. Packed real good. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little line right down the middle, a dredge, and put some sauce into there. All right. And I'm going to put aluminum foil. I already got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. This is a very easy meal. 400 degrees for at least 1 hour or until done. This should be done at 100, at least the temperature at 165 degrees. You want to make it look real nice. Yes, indeed. All right, so I'll be right back when I get cleaned up. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to make a line right there. Right down the middle. All right. Making a little dredge. Works for me. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get I'm going to need a little dish here. All right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this sauce down in there. Just like that. And then I'm going to paint the top a little bit. All right. Already smells good. All right. So that's all said and done. Now, the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it up. Excuse me, can you give me a small baking dish? Baking pan, make a cookie sheet. Okay, now I'm going to seal this up. Now I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. I had it in at least in half an hour since preheating. So she's nice and hot. All right. And I'm going to check this in 1 hour. All right. Turn on here. So if we do have some spillover, it'll spill over into the cookie sheet. All right. I'm going to have to get up for this one. And now I'm going to move myself to the stove. And once again, like I said, this is going to cook at 400 degrees for at least 1 hour until done. All right, until then, I will be right back. All right, 1 hour has passed now, so I'm definitely going to take it out and see where we at. And remember, it's been cooking at 400 degrees for 1 hour. All right. Now, we're going to remove the aluminum foil here. Very, very hot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can see where it pulled away from the sides. So, what I'm going to do now, I am going to put it, the Baby Ray's on top. And then I'm going to put it back in, uncovered, on broil. Oh yeah, it's going to be some good groceries, yeah. All right, so now we're going to turn it from bake to broil, because I want that top to caramelize. But when you do this step, you got to keep watching it. Definitely got to keep watching it. All right. There she goes. goes. All right, I'll be back when she starts to caramelize so we can finish up this dish because I'm hungry. All right, everybody. This meat is, ooh, it's hot. This meat is done. She has a little bit of caramelization on the top there. That's the way I like it. This meatloaf is going to be delicious. Oh, it smells so good. Well, now what I'm going to do now, I have to let this cool down before I even attempt to remove it from this dish. But, if you can see, I'm going to have to, I'll use a spatula here. Where it pulled away, oh wow, pulled away from the sides. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. That's going to be lovely. Alright, so I'm going to let this cool down for a while, but I am going to drain the oil off. Well, that oil has flavor, and you can use it on your mashed potatoes. Alright, so I'll be back when she is cooled down and I'm ready to remove her and plate her. Alright, everybody. I have to cut into this now. I am starving. Alright. Mashed potatoes. All right. Okay. The proof is in the pudding. Very moist. I'm doing my happy dance. She's still too hot. Very hot. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. It is freaking delicious. But anyway, I hope you like this recipe. Give it a shot. You definitely will enjoy it. Alright. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. I would really appreciate it. Bye-bye. Have a good evening. God bless you.